Hello friends, welcome back to this series of tenses. So today we will learn our special topic, as you know, that is past continuous tense. And our today's part is, as you know, part 6. So in this part, today we will explore the spelling of the verbs, okay, in past continuous tense. That is which situation, which kinds of spelling, spelling changes a little bit on the situation. Okay, depending on the situation, we will just see the major situations, the major spellings of the verbs that always changes during the past continuous tense. Today we will explore this by watching this video. So today you will read the book, and today you will find out many kinds of verbs by watching to this video. Okay, so with the verb that is always add with ing. Okay, so no more talking, let's get started. Our today's journey. So first of all, here we can see that is major rules here. So we can start from here. That is generally most of the verbs. What we generally do, we generally add the ing most of the verbs. For example, like this I can say to you that is call, calling, play, playing. Here after the word of the verb we have simply added the ing. Okay, also there are more, for example, like this reading, okay, studying, etc. Okay, these are the simple verbs that is generally used with the ing. The next is when the verbs ends with e. Okay, verbs ending in e. So when the verb ends with e, what do we need to do? We have to just drop the e, then we have to add the ing. So let's see here. We have to drop the e here, then we have to add the ing. Then it becomes writing. Same here, dance becomes dancing. We have already dropped the e, and then we have already added the ing. Have you understood? There are more. So if you read the books, if you just read the words, then you can understand. Then you can match with them by following these rules. Okay, and then next is when the verb ends with ie. Okay, verbs ending in ie, what do we need to do? On that time we have to just drop the ie, then add y, then add ing. Okay, so here let's look some examples. Here we can see die. Then what do we need to do? After the last letter, after the word of D, we can see IE. So we have to just drop the IE here. Then we have to add the Y. Then we have to add the ING. Same here. We can see lie becomes lying. We have to drop the IE. Then we have to add the Y. Then we have to add the ING. We have already done. We have understood these simple rules. Then let's see another rule here. We can see that is when the verb ends with CVC. Okay, what's mean the CVC pattern? CVC. Okay, I have already forgotten to tell you. CVC, it's a pattern. Okay, it's a form of pattern. It's an expression to make understand anyone. Okay. And also CVC, it stands for, that is consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, which means C means consonant, V means vowel, and C means consonant. Always remember which always ends. Okay, which always starts from the end. Okay, same here we can see that the C always starts from the end, and we will spell like this, CVC. We can, so the full name of this consonant, vowel, consonant. And on that time, when the words end with CVC, what do we need to do? We have to just double the last letter. Okay, we have to double the last letter. So let's see some examples, then you can understand. Here we can see run becomes running. How? Because here, it starts from N. We can see that is N is here C, and U is here V, and R is here C. That is N is consonant, U is vowel, and R is consonant. That's why we have to double the N letter. The last letter is here N. That's why we have already doubled it. Then we have to simply add the ing. Okay? Run becomes running. Same here. Next is plan becomes planning. Okay? So here it starts from the N. So N is C. A is V, and L is C. Okay, so here it is the consonant, it is vowel, and it is consonant. Okay, so we have to just then we have to double the last letter. The double of the last letter is N. That's why we have already doubled it. Then we have already added the ing. Okay, so here we have already understood the simply major rules of past continuous tense. These are the spellings. So when you read the book, when you find out the words, this types of words, you have to follow the rules. So okay, you will match them with this by following the rules. By this you can get understand, and also you will undo any mistakes about the spellings of the verb in past continuous tense. Okay, so I hope that is you like this video. So if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video. And that's it. Our today's video is finished. So see you in the next video, everyone, and bye for now.